Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure e-trade watch lists and alerts for research productivity, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your e-trade account. Once logged in, navigate to the Research tab located at the top of the homepage. From the drop-down menu, select Watch Lists. Here, you will find an option to create a new watch list. Click on Create New Watch List to start building your customized list. Enter a name for your watch list that reflects its purpose, such as tech stocks or dividend aristocrats. Now, it's time to add stocks to your watch list. Use the search bar to find the stocks you want to include. Once you locate a stock, click on it to add it to your watch list. Repeat this process for each stock you wish to include in your watch list. After adding your stocks, you can rearrange them by dragging and dropping. To remove any stocks, simply click on the X next to the stock's name. Next, let's set up alerts for your watch list. Under your watch list, look for the Alerts button. Click on Create New Alert to begin the process. Here, you can customize your alert settings. Choose the specific conditions you want for your alerts, such as price changes or volume spikes. Enter the price level you want to be notified about for each stock. You can also set the frequency of the alerts, whether you want to receive them immediately or at a specified time. After you set your parameters, confirm your choices to activate the alerts. Repeat this process for each stock in your watch list to ensure you are alerted on all important metrics. With your watch list and alerts configured, regularly check back to assess your stock's performance. Consider adjusting your watch list periodically based on market trends or personal research preferences. To maximize productivity, integrate your watch list with other research tools available in e-trade. Utilize the market news and analyst ratings features to stay informed about the stocks in your watch list. By effectively configuring your watch lists and alerts, you can streamline your research process. This setup will enhance your ability to monitor stock performance and make informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.